Hello everyone. Today we see our new stock of products, that is PC and laptop peripherals and accessories. So first of all we have the very basic components and basic products that is the every person's need, that is keyboard and mouse. So here we have the keyboard that is comes from Intex company with manufacturer's 1 year warranty. It comes with 1.2 meter cable length with USB interface and 104 keys. So it has got the 3 zone full key membrane keyboard and 50 million clicks key life. So if you are interested to buy it, then contact my numbers anytime. So here is it's best in quality and it comes with 1 year warranty. So the next product is the wired mouse, and here we have the Intex and here we have the Enter. It comes with also 1 year warranty. So if you are gaming geek, then contact for this one, and if you're not, need to use it as a personal use or the basic use, you use this type of basic mouse in black color. So we also had SSDs, that is comes from Consistent. It comes with 5 year warranty. So here you can see it's 256 GB, it's 128 GB. We also deals in the PC and laptop hard disk drives. As you can see, it's laptop drives. And here we have the solid state. It's a hard disk for desktop. You can see here. We also have the PC SLPS. As you can see, we had it's come from Santa, Intex or Zebronics. It also got 1 year warranty. It also deals in CCTVs and CCTV cables. And we have the DVD writers also for desktop and external DVD writers also. So here we have this new stock arrived. So let's get the closer. So here we unpack this beautiful cursor model of that comes from the company Enter. Here you can see the branding here, as you can see here. As you can note down the serial number below, we can also see the serial number in the mouse bottom section. You can see the beautiful design. So let's open it up. So here's the beautiful piece of mouse. Here you can see the branding Enter here, and here it's a serial number you can see here, which is same as the blue one on the box, as you can see. So what means it is genuine product here. You can see Intel 2024. So it comes with latest warranty. As you can see, it's the full length 1.2 meter wires, and it's a USB plug-in. And here it's the beautiful design. It's a roller and with inbuilt SPDT switch here. So it also works as switch. So here you can see the design here, and we have another model right down there. It's a basic one that comes from the company Intex. Here you can see its branding right down. Here is the specifications and price, and here the model number. Here we have the opening one. Here it comes in this type of packaging, and here's the branding of Intex, and here you can see the Intex logo and the date. It's June 2024 manufacturer's date, as you can see or not. So with this date you can claim the warranty also. Here it's the beautiful basic vintage type mouse and comes with 1000 dpi sensitivity. So the another product is this Consistent hard disk drive here. Here you can see it comes from Consistent. Here you can see it's 5 years warranty. It's a solid state drive from Consistent, and it comes with this type of packaging. Here you can see 2 warranty word stickers right down. Here you can see the specifications also. Here you can see it's G to 2024 manufacturing date. Here it's August 2024. So here's it's Consistent. So here's Consistent 128 GB SSD drive, as you can see on your screen. It also comes with a 5-year warranty from manufacturer, and here it looks like. Here you can see it's also has got 2 warranty word stickers. Here you can see it's September 2024 manufacturing. It's September 2024, and here you can see the specifications. It's 128 GB original SSD from Consistent. So if you ever want, then contact my numbers. We also deals in this type of desktop hard disk drives that comes from Seagate. It also has got WD green or surveillance hard disks. We also deals in surveillance hard disks. We also had the laptop hard disks also. Here you can see it's laptop hard disks. It's 320 GB, and it's from Samsung. And the another product is the SMPS. As you can see in Text Classic SMPS. As you can see the specifications of this. As you can see, it's the manufacturing year. It's June 2024. It also comes with 1-year warranty. Here you can see the specifications. It has got maximum of 30 amperes at 3.3 volts, 29 amperes at 5 volts, and 18 amperes at plus 12 volts, and 0.5 amperes at minus 12 volts. It also 5 volts of SP, 2 amperes. So hence you can see the connectors. We also has got CCTV cameras and CCTV cables, routers. So it has the CCTV wire rolls, as you can see here from the specifications. It's a 90-meter rolls that comes with 5 cores.